Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a huge TJ Maxx haul and I'm so excited because sometimes I go in there and there's nothing in there. Like I'm like, what? I don't even know what I'm looking for and I can't really find anything. But this time I found so much. A lot of clothes and a lot of things for my new apartment. Me and Kyle are moving to an apartment in Nashville, and so I am so excited because we're looking for just some new things just to organize because it's going to be a lot smaller than our house we're in now. So what's cool is we're keeping the house we're in and we're renting it out, and then we are going to live in Nashville for a year. And I'm just so excited to take you guys along with us and to decorate the apartment together. So it'll be really fun. Let's show you guys some things I got for the apartment and just some things I got for winter coming up, the colder months. So if you guys like this video and want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and let's get on into the video. So some organization things that I'm very excited about. First is this bamboo little storage bin. I think it's super cute. It's black and then it has like a wood bamboo top. And then I even got its daddy one right here. So I'm thinking I'm gonna put like a lot of cleaning products in here and maybe put this underneath the sink. I'm trying to have a place for everything for this apartment because I know that it can get messy really quickly, but I also know if you have a place for everything, it's gonna be super easy just to clean up and it will take a lot less time than this house. So I'm super excited about that. Another thing that I got for this apartment is, I say this apartment, our apartment, we move in on Halloween. I got this really pretty bath mat and I think it will look really pretty in front of our like glass shower. Now we have a glass shower. It's like fancy. I don't have a shower curtain anymore. So that'll be exciting. It'll be nice and pretty. It will just feel cleaner. And then I also, talking about showers, I got this for our house because we are renting our house out to family, so I want them to feel like they're in a clean, like new house. So this is just a shower curtain and it was $4.99. You can use it as a curtain or a liner. We're gonna use it as a liner. So I got them a crisp new shower curtain. Another storage container that I thought was so cute and I can't wait to use is this little kind of like jewelry holder. And this is the picture that they show. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has a mirror inside of it. So you prop it up like this and it's a mirror. How cute is that? So I'll put my jewelry in there and then whatever other little knickknacks I have. So I'll put that on the bathroom counter. That was only $6.99. So I thought it was cute. I love the bamboo look. I am gonna be doing a lot more like home decor videos. So I'll show you guys some inspo of what I'm thinking for the house. If you guys have followed Three Birds Renovations on Instagram, they're an Australian-based company and the girls, the designers there are amazing. So I'm like, if my apartment could even be close to what they can design, that would be like my ideal. So if you haven't looked them up for inspiration, go ahead and do that because they're so good. So I have been looking for a dark pair of like gray slip-on shoes for a while now just because they go with everything. So I found these. They are from Steve Madden and I'm so excited about them. They're like a dark gray suede material with a white bottom. These were $24.99 and they were in my size and I was like, let's go, let's get them, because I just wear these things out, especially during the winter with like jeans and stuff. Another thing that I won't be trying on is these sports bras. So I think these are so cute. These actually aren't sports bras. They could be, but they're called lounge bras. Sometimes I don't want to wear like a full-on bra around the house, but it's nice to feel a little bit supported. So these are perfect for that kind of thing. And then I actually got some sports bras that I thought were very cute. Here they are, a dark green one and a black one. But my favorite part about them is the back. They have like little straps and they're kind of like shiny straps. They're so cute. So I'm super excited about these. I've really been needing a new hat because I have like one hat that I wear and some days on greasy hair days I just want to plop on a hat. But this Adidas one is so cute. It's kind of like a gray blue color and this was originally $26 but I got it for $12.99. So kind of have to dig in TJ Maxx, but I found this and I was super excited about it. Another thing that I can't wait to use is this gratitude journal. It's a journal for gratitude and goals for an inspired day. If you know me, I love my journals, and TJ Maxx has the best ones. This one was $4.99 and I thought it was so pretty, but what I loved about it is it's super organized. So it says, I'm grateful for on this side, and then today I am, and then you can draw a little doodle, which I probably won't do because I suck at drawing. And then you can have your goals for the day, you can have your to-do list, exercise, schedule, and meals, which I thought was really cool. So I'll show you guys a close-up shot of that if it's focusing. And if I keep looking down in this video, it's because my camera or my screen is down here, so sorry if I keep doing that. So yes, I'm super excited about this little journal. I'm gonna try to start using it every day. Okay, so now I'm gonna start trying on some of the clothes I got, which a lot of them are like sweatshirts. They had a ton of Sherpas there. I'm excited to show you guys. They're really cozy and I just can't resist them. These are sweatpants and they're so stinking cute. It's like a light animal print and I love them because it's nude, they're drawstring waistband, and they have like slim pockets that don't poke out too much at all. I think these were really cheap too, maybe like 15 bucks. The next thing I got is this gray top, and I think this will be perfect for working out because it's so soft but still really like light and breathable. So I just tied it up. It's a little bit longer, but I love this tank top so much. I wish you guys could feel it because it's the softest tank top I've ever owned. I also had these green Puma sweatpants, which I'm just trying on now because I didn't try them on in store. These were $20, but I don't think I love them. I think I'm gonna return them because they're a little bit like too tight throughout here, and then they get kind of like awkwardly baggy at the bottom. They're okay, they just don't fit very well. Something else that I'm really excited about is this olive green zip up vest. I don't think I've ever worn or owned like a puffer vest before. I don't know, maybe when I was little, but I think this is adorable. It's like olive green, it's a zip up, and what I love the most about it is it's not too puffy. It like really sucks you in the back so it looks like ladylike and nice. So I really like this one, and it was only $14.99. Moving on to Sherpas, I have like 3 of them. They had so many different colors and styles. It's kind of like this creamy oatmeal-y color, and it's so soft and warm. It seems like the sleeves are decently long too. Sometimes I have trouble finding sleeves that are long enough for me, but these are super cute. It has pockets, and it was pretty affordable, 24 bucks. So hopefully they have it at your TJ Maxx. This one is Bauer. I don't know if it's ugly or not. Does it look too Christmassy? It's like red and black, kind of like a Christmas present. But I think this was cute. This was $24 too. And yeah, Bauer, so that's great. I wish this was a little bit longer to wear with like leggings to cover my butt. I mean, it's not terrible, but I like when they're a little bit longer. I think I even got this in a large. There is just a simple black Sherpa that is also Bauer. This one was $24.99 too. It's a little like cheap looking up here. I don't know if I love it. I thought I was really gonna like this one on, but it like really sticks out in the front, kind of makes me look funny, but it has like one big pocket you can stick your hands in. If you're not like worried about the fit so much, this would be really cute under like a puffer jacket. It would keep you really warm. So that is it for this TJ Maxx haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Nico, do you want to say bye, buddy? You're gonna be living a new apartment life. What do you think about that? It's gonna be fun. I think that's what you were made for. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.